The quote of the day today is hard sell. There's a philosopher called 𝗟𝗢𝗥𝗡 Hubbard. He developed a technology called WISE for enterprises, for businesses, and we use a lot of his stuff over here, all right? So here's a definition that he uses for hard sell. That's what these little booklets are. It's business technology for a structure, for organization, for establishment, for all those things. One of the things that he talks about is hard sell. And look at this definition over here. So you know what we're trying so hard to generate revenue. We're not here for the money. That's not the purpose of what we're doing here. We're making money. All of you guys are growing. You guys are building a career. But the AGM world is here to service people and to do something greater than ourselves. That's the reality, right? So hard sell is insistence that people buy. It means caring about the person and not being reasonable about stops or barriers, but caring enough to get him through the stops or barriers to get the service that's going to rehabilitate him or her. So you're caring enough. What you're doing right now with of like being like, let me show you around the building, let me show you, let me bring my CEO. You're caring enough about this person and trying to get him through any stops or barriers. This guy is bleeding out every single day. He's spending $15,000 a month on Google Ads, and he's bringing in $10,000. This guy is doomed for a complete shutdown of that business if he doesn't turn things around. What happens if it shuts down? He's not going to be able to feed his family. He's not going to be able to survive. He's going to end up losing his own finances and being able to overall like have a quality of life. So it's a big deal. So what are we doing? We are caring enough for people so we can get them through their stops or barriers. We're showing them that we're for real so we can help them get service. We have services to offer over here. That's the cool thing about it. So that's hard sell. When you're like, oh man, let me give you this. This is your service. This is your next thing. You got to trust me. Next text message. You know, you grab the phone and you're like, it was so great to talk to you today. I'm so excited about helping you. I got you on my list over here. I want to make sure that if you have any questions, I'm here to help you. And then the next day you're again like, you got any questions? Did you think it through? Does your wife have any concern about our services? Until that person says, dude, stop communicating or blocks you, you keep on going. That's hard sell. You keep on going with people until they either block your number or they take us up on the offer. Those are the two routes over here, all right? Either people believe in us and they buy into it. I can tell you one thing. When I don't want to hear from somebody, I just block them. So that's what you're going to do, all right? You can keep going until people don't want to hear from you anymore. They block you. Like I have this guy from the 𝗟𝗢𝗥𝗡 company. He just messages me all the time. He FaceTimes me all the time. He calls me left and right. I could have blocked him. I like him so much that I don't block him because I believe what he's trying to do. They're trying to service. They're trying to help. Is he trying to get money from me? Of course he's trying to get money from me. But there's a reason for that. There's an exchange in place. Some of this, I don't know if you guys have gotten to read some of the testimonials and successes that we created over here. You should, because you should see the products that the company can produce. They're quite special. So whenever you bring somebody on board, it's almost like, congratulations, man, you made such a good decision. It's going to change your business. It's going to be so great to see you thrive after you get this service done. Wow, bravo, amazing, so good, right? That's the purpose behind all these things. So you guys can have that drive and that push to make it happen.